School teacher Sithy Jamila and her family escaped the 2004 tsunami that ripped through Sri Lanka's coastal villages. 7-meter waves destroyed her home, her school, and took the lives of 25 students. The waves also left her women's credit union in ruins and 1/3 of its members dead. The women of Kalmanai had lost dear friends and the financial institution they owned and trusted. But Sithy and her fellow members did not give in to despair. They worked with Sanasa, Sri Lanka's credit union movement, using Canadian funds and technical aid to rebuild their credit union, restore member accounts, and deliver loans and training to help women start small businesses. Today, the membership of the new Alhutha Women's Credit Union is growing. Members are repaying their loans and saving for the future. Sithy says the pace of recovery is slower for families living in this conflict zone. But with patience and hard work, credit unions in this uncertain region are building a modest number of homes, wells, and toilets to help make life better. Sithy has a new baby girl, and she is teaching again. And the credit union she helped bring back to life is a beacon of hope for women and young girls in her community.